All right, you guys, check this one out. This is gonna be the first time I ever used a Baitcaster fishing. All right, I got this about a week ago. It's a Brent Chapman. I guess 5 bearings. You know, I've been practicing for about a week. You know, with the braking system and everything. It's a little breezy, so I got my back against the wind. But this is gonna be the first time ever fishing with the Baitcaster. So you're gonna see me, if I spool this bad boy up, who knows. Also, I'm using this spinnerbait 1/8. Got a little swivel to it. See it? All right. Anyways, let's see if I'm gonna bird nest, all right? I need an open spot because I am definitely an amateur at this. Which way the wind's blowing this way. All right, let's try this right here. First time ever, like I said, using a Baitcaster for fishing. And I did some research for Baitcasters, like for beginners, and I got this right here. It's a combo. It was like under 80 bucks. Well, god dang, I don't even know how much it was, but it was under 80, I believe. And oh, let's go over here. For beginners. And I checked a bunch of them out, and for some reason this right here kept coming. I kept coming back to this one right here. So, all right, well, let's try it. I'm gonna do a short cast because, not that I don't have confidence, it's just I don't know what the hell I'm doing. All right, see that short cast? See, is that sucker even spinning good? Oh yeah, it is. All right, so let's go this way. Oh, a little bit of bird's nest, but I'll take that. Okay, let me practice and go forward out this way. Let me see. All right, this is beginning shit here. Oh, that was even better. Gotta practice, right? All right, let's try this again. Oh, bird nest, dude. Oh shit, bird nest. Okay. Oh, that's ugly. Oh shit. All right, ladies and gentlemen. It's weird how it works itself out. All right. Let me see how I do this. Always got to practice, yeah? Not too bad, not too bad. Just got to keep practicing with these Baitcasters, man. Like I said, this is the first time ever fishing with these bad boys. See what I got. Okay, I gotta practice on my cast, of course. I got a lefty. I don't know. It just seemed like, okay, so this is a lefty. I'm right-handed, but I feel like the power's in my right hand to cast. And it's almost like this. So if I cast, hold it, I'm not switching over. You know, some people, they cast right-handed, then they grab this and then start spinning. I don't know. it's not that it takes a lot of time, it just seems like awkward to me. Well, you guys, that's all I have for today because I got a tight schedule. And I did bring this Baitcaster out. I like it though. Like I said, this is a Brent Chapman 7-footer combo that I got. I like it. First time ever fishing with a Baitcaster actually. Like I said, I looked online everywhere for something for beginners, and man, this did it. I kept coming back to this right here. Like I said, I like it. I threw out a spinner bait, did that for a little bit with a barrel clip on it. Then I went to this rooster tail. Not bad, everything came out. I nested 3 times, but I got it out, no problem. But I'm definitely gonna use this more often. I like it, man. Like I said, Cast King, always, man. Cast King's always done me good. Little stream comes this way to the pond. I don't know what kind of water that is, but pretty sure you don't want to get your feet wet in there. All right, anyway, that's all I have. Hey man, I really like this. All right, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys later, okay? All right, ciao.